Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you hijab tutorial. So I'm in hijab and literally I'm loving it. In this 6th look I'm going to share with you this easy looks which is very fashionable. It's very easy without pin and with also pin. You can take it daily life. So the review, let's get into the video. Let's start. Look number 1. So first you have to take it a scarf and then take a small section from left side, and from right side you have to take a very long section, and then you have to just take a small section from here and just keep it backwards so that like we can tie here, just secure. So after that you need to take this big section and you need to take from here to, and just you have to take it very loose. इसे roll करना है आपको. उसके बाद take this section, this small section, and just keep it at back side. You can leave it like this, or you can secure a ball pin over here, or here. You can, your wish. I'm just securing it here. You can keep it in front like this, or else you can keep it back. If you don't want much volume, you can go with this. Look 2, little big one from right hand one, front like this, and I'm going to just fold it here. I'm going to secure a pin. You just need to take this from here to here. Okay, you need to take a fold like this and just, so you take it and just drag it inside so that it won't look clumsy. Here you can pin it or just can leave it like this, and this is very easy job. I'm going to take a section and I'm not going to fold this one. Take this from here and just put it back side. So this one you can take it and you can keep it back like this, and you are done. Just take this one and just keep it at the back. So this is a very easy one and this is my favorite one. Just fold it. Just you don't need to go from here, and you just need to be like this, and you need to secure here, or else you can take it from here. You have to take it very tight. Take a pin, secure it. Take this section, keep it back. You can keep this section front or you can keep it back. Look 5. This is a very favorite one, and I usually do this one. So take equal sections both sides, and you should not take folds. Just take 2 equal sections. Just move it from here to here. Way. You can show your cap, or either you can just drag it in front like this, and just can keep it like this, or you can just tie it over here. It will also look good. Pin it over here. I usually pin it, or I'll just leave like this. small section, and from right side I'm taking big, and just take a nice fold, half fold. I'm keeping this one. I'm taking this back section, like you have to join this one, and just take this section from back and just keep it back and keep it back. These are the easy and fashionable hijabs. In these 6 looks, which one do you like? Comment down in the section below. So girls, if you like this hijab tutorial, you want me to do more, so comment down in the section below, and don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and also share my video. Take care, remember me in your precious prayers, and love you all. Allah Hafiz.